Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to change dark theme in TradingView in all devices. So firstly we will see in the desktop view. So once you open the tradingview.com website, okay, here you will see I refresh the page. This is the home landing page. After that you can simply click on your profile icon in top navigation bar. After that once you click here you will find a dark theme button. Now to change the dark theme you can simply click this button to enable and then toggle off the button to disable. Okay, also same as you can do inside any chart where you want. Like if I open any stocks, I will show you in my chart. Instead of doing or enabling the whole website in a dark mode, you can also do in your chart by simple open the chart, press on setting icon in top navigation bar, go to canvas and then select solid, and now here you can change the background of your chart and then you can easily trade here. Okay, so here is how you can easily do it. Now I will show you in mobile view. So you can firstly open your application. After that, here you can click on menu in your bottom navigation bar. After pressing the menu button, click on setting icon, and then once you press the setting icon, here you will see a first option is called theme option. Then press it, and now here you have an option to select the light or dark theme. Now if you want to change to dark theme, simple press the dark, and now the dark theme will be enabled. Disable it, press the light one. Okay, also you have an option to change the default theme, means it will automatically adapt your device theme and then select. If my device theme is dark, it will change to dark. If my device theme is light, it will change to light. Okay, goodbye.